Speed disconnects you from your intuition. So slowing down isn't lazy, it's information gathering. Welcome to day 13 of the 30-day self-trust challenge, where we're going to focus on one simple task, one simple invitation to help you rebuild that self-trust with your body. Day 13 is all about slowing down to hear yourself. So remember, we may be used to rushing through things, but in that rush, we can't always listen to intuition. So the daily invitation today is to pause for one breath before a decision today. That's all. Just pause before a decision today. And that decision can be anything. I'm working through some challenges with an individual who suffers with mental health issues. And I'm taking that pause. I'm taking that pause before I respond to them. And it's much easier for me to listen to my body and respond to what it's asking for if I take that pause. That pause before I respond, or that pause before I reply. So that's the invitation today, is pause for one breath before a decision today. An example would be I paused before responding. I read that text and I did not respond. That's an example. And if today felt hard, if this invitation to pause feels hard, one breath is enough. Just stop somewhere in your day and intentionally take one breath. With a lot of my clients, we work on pairing box breathing, which is, breathing in for 4, holding for 4, breathing out for 4, and holding for 4, breathing in. And we pair it with another task like going to the washroom, because we're all going to hopefully go to the washroom at least 4 times in the day. But we know those little mini deep breaths throughout the day reduce that cortisol response in the body. And that lets you listen and hear your body speaking. Okay. So we don't have to rush. We need to slow down and come back tomorrow for day 14.